So apparently the hard drive on my phone got filled up when I was just starting that last question in the last video. So let's do 5e together. The expression is 11 plus 5v minus quantity 13v plus 2. And our goal is to combine this 11 and this 2 and this 5v and this 13v, but we can't combine anything inside the parentheses with stuff that's outside the parentheses till we get rid of those parentheses. And so what this comes down to is distributing this negative or writing this sum as the sum of its opposites so that we can get rid of this minus sign and we can get rid of these parentheses and we can combine the like terms. So I like to think of it as adding the opposite of everything that's inside these parentheses, and then I like to just think of it as distributing this negative or distributing a little invisible -1 to each thing inside these parentheses. And then that's going to break everything out of the parentheses, get rid of them, and then we can combine our like terms. So we got 11 plus 5v plus, I've got this plus sign here. That's a good thing about writing it as plus negative. It reminds you that there should be a plus sign there. And then, so this becomes a -13v when this negative sign is applied to it. And then this 2 becomes a -2. And now I get to combine my like terms. I got 11 and -2. That's going to give me +9. And 5v plus -13v, that's going to give me a -8v. And then I'm assuming, I'll close my parentheses. I'm assuming they want us to, nope, actually these ones don't say you have to check to see if they're equivalent by making any sort of substitution. It just says you have to write it in standard form. I'm noticing a little typo here. They say write an equation in standard form. I think they mean expression. And so to write an expression in standard form means that all of the variables are, all of the terms, all the like terms are combined. There's no like products within the terms, like 3 times 2x or something like that. And also, technically, I guess you could kind of say what I've got here, 9 plus 8, -8v is standard form. But conventionally, you write the terms with variables in first before you write the constant term or the numerical term, and you usually write them in alphabetical order as well. So like if you had an x, a y, a z term, you would write the x term, the y term, then the z term. So let me put the variable term first, -8v, and then my 9 plus 9. That's the way it's really supposed to be written. So there's my expression in standard form. All right, now I'm actually done, so I'll upload this video right after the other one. All right.